Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a PowerPoint Chapter 1 simulation exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can turn your exam by watching this video. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Excel, and many more courses. Contact me for your assignment, exam, quiz, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Question number 1 is that with slide 1 displayed insert a new title. Okay. On slide 2 in the title, placeholder, tab Earth Day, logging fun run, Earth Day, logging fun run, logging fun run. On slide 2 in the contact placeholder tab when April 22 8 am. Remaining contact will be auto complete. On slide 2 in the contact placeholder tab when April 22 8 am. Okay, question is completed now. Now question number 2 is that with slide 2 display, click new slide arrow on the home tab and then select reuse slides. In the reuse slide is that okay. Click pause, rotate. Okay, we will insert file, PPT file here. Insert page, okay, use, insert item, insert. Okay, close these, reuse slide. Close reuse slide. Question is complete now. Now moving on. Next question. Display the presentation and slide sorter view. Okay. Go to note page. Then right click on this. Okay. In slide sorter view, move slide 2 so that position after the existing slide 8. You can position this existing slide 8. Okay. Okay then. Okay, time oh sorry, you can see here. Change the theme color to the presentation to green. Change the theme color to presentation to green. Okay, go to presentation design and go to color is presentation color is go to green. Okay, change the theme font to presentation to Corbel. Here is Corbel. You can select this. Okay, then question is completed now. Now moving question 4. Question 4 is that change the layout of slide to picture with caption. Change the layout slide 5 to picture to caption. Click on slide 5. Then right click on this, click on layout. Okay, here is caption. Layout picture to caption is that. Okay, web block. Change the layout slide 8 to content. Click on slide 8, right click on this, layout, and then slide to content. Okay, it's done now. On slide 8, select the text in the left contact placeholder, set the font size of text to 24 pt. Okay. Right click on this and then slide. Okay, no, sorry, here is pt font size 25 pt size. Okay, on slide 8, change the font color to the text in the left content placeholder to green, accent 1, darker 25. Okay, accent, here is green, accent 1, darker 50. Here is green 25. Okay, it's done now. On slide 8, apply bold and text in the title placeholder. On slide 8, apply bold to the text in the title placeholder. Placeholder title, you can select this title on this bold. Select slide 1 and slide 1. Select the title placeholder, set the font size of text to 80 pt. 80 pt. Okay. Select 80. 80. On slide 1, apply bold and italic to the text in the title placeholder. On the slide 1, apply bold and italic to the text in the okay. This is done. Question is completed now. Now question number 7 is that click slide 5 in the content placeholder, click the picture icon and insert block 1 GPG from the document folder. Click slide 5 in the content placeholder, click the picture icon and insert block 1 JPG from document folder. We will insert a picture. Okay, click on slide 5 and then JPG picture, click on JPG picture and then we will insert picture is that log 1 JPG is here. Okay, this picture will be inserted. Okay, slide 4 in the right content placeholder, click the picture icon and insert rubbish. Okay, then we will insert a rubbish picture, rubbish JPG from document folder. Okay, so select rubbish JPGs. Okay, click slide 8 and insert a content placeholder, click the picture icon and insert Earth Day JPG from okay Earth Day JPG and then insert there. Question is completed now. Okay, apply the simple frame black picture style to the picture on slide 5. Click on slide 5 and then apply simple frame black picture style. Okay, apply simple. Click on slide 5. Click on slide 5 and then apply the simple frame black. Okay, click on picture format and then simple frame black. Simple frame black. Okay, then on slide 4, crop the rubbish image so that the top edge align with the plus 1.0 inches mark above 0 on the vertical ruler. On slide 4, crop the rubbish image so that the top edge align with the plus 1.0 inches mark above 0 on the vertical ruler. Click on crop. Okay, then vertical ruler is that plus 1.0 here is slide 1.0. Okay, 1.0 inches above on the vertical ruler. 1.0 1.0. Okay, on slide 4, change the shape height of rubbish image to 3.7. On slide 4, position to image horizontal is 6.66 and vertical is 2.202. Okay, image horizontally at 6.66. Okay, and vertically 2.02. Close the format pane. Six. Okay. Apply the simple frame. Black. Okay. Sorry. Apply the simple frame. Okay. Then apply represent the shadow. White picture style to the picture on slide 8. Okay. White picture style to the white picture on slide 8. Click on slide 8 and go to picture format and the erase done. Okay. I have done 80% of this exam. For remaining question or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on this screen. I can do all courses, computer application, computer principle, computer application and principles. Okay, and I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, and many more courses. Contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course help through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.